Hello, I'm Kaushlen. I'm representing Ignol, which is leading consultancy firm in India and support startups in India. Today, I'm excited to share how Serpent CS helped us to transform our business in very good manner with their ERP solutions.
So, sir, could you say that what challenges you had before implementing ERP system?
Yeah, sure. Before implementation of ERP system, we were facing some issues like track of customer journey from top to bottom and track of sales performance report, and legal team was also facing some issues for storing documents, and there were some issues in multiple payment gateway and operation team performance report.
Hello, myself Grisha Takwani and I am working as Business Development Manager in Ignol Group of Companies. Serpent's Consulting Services ERP module enables a sales team to track weekly and monthly sales target and also to track the real-time sales update.
So sir, how you got to know about Serpent Consulting Services?
Actually, we were searching online for best ERP solution, and we also talked with our business partner for ERP solution. Then we found Serpent CS. They have a strong reputation in ERP solution. Then we think to continue with them. So after implementation of ERP solution, we can easily track our customer journey top to bottom, and sales incentive reports are also accurate now.
Hi, my name is Himangi. I'm working in a Ignol group of companies since last 5 years as a TL. In this, we are using the Serpent ERP system. It's very useful for my company, which is in a task management, gathering the insightful data to allocate particular task and manage and as well as match up the deadline to particular task. So it is very useful for my company to manage each and every task through the Serpent ERP system. Thank you.
Our legal team process is also streamlined with our new ERP solution, ERP system, that they can store document in central way, and they also integrated our different types of payment gateway in one platform, and they also did our task automation, the file automation of assigning the file.
Hi everyone, my name is Gauri and here I'm working in Ignol as a business development manager. So in Ignol we are using a Serpent CS ERP system which helps in payment reconciliation more fully automated, and also Razorpay payments are directly linked to the orders, which helps in minimizing time and also helps in reducing error.
The ERP solution from Serpent CS have completely transformed our daily operation. They have not only improved our efficiency across department, but also they have enhanced our ability to deliver timely service to our client.
Hi, this is Grusha Bhatt from Ignol Group of Company. I'm working as a BEE. Our Serpent CSR system is now including telephonic integration. Incoming calls are very easy for us. Incoming calls are directly assigned to the team members and we can track call status in real time. Thank you.
So at last I would say Serpent CS helped Ignol work smarter, not harder.